Now using function notation. So if our function is f of x equals 3x plus 2, find f of 7. F of 7, basically all that's saying is it's saying replace the x with a 7 and then do order of operations. It's called evaluate, okay, or plug it in, okay? So if you notice here, this is an f of x, this is an f of x. Well, this is f of 7. What changed? Well, the x changed to a 7. So do that. Okay, so here we go. So we're going to basically take all the x's from our original function here and replace them with 7s. So f of 7 equals 3 times 7 plus 2. Now that we've replaced the x's, evaluate, now we do order of operations and figure out what it equals, okay? So here we go. Multiply first. 3 times 7, that's to be a 21 plus 2. 21 plus 2 makes 23. Okay, so now we say f of 7 equals 23. In other words, when the input is a 7, then the output is a 23. Okay, or when x equals 7, the y is 23. It's similar to that with x's and y's because remember, we kind of changed the f of x with a y. They're kind of interchangeable in most cases. Okay, so if we try to put this on a coordinate plane, graph it, that would be 7, 23 would be the coordinate point or the ordered pair.